How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how many push-ups to see results. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So there is no magical number of reps that's the right way or the wrong way. What you want to do, and this is the main thing for anything, if you're trying to see results, is progression. Progress is the number one thing. So you can pick to do 10 reps, you can pick to do 30 reps, 20 reps, but you should be progressing in some way. Now, people are going to ask me, and if you don't want to ask me, but people will ask, how do you progress on push-ups when it is a body weight movement? And I was stumped with this question as well for a while. I constantly thought, if I do 20 push-ups, well, the next thing I have to do is 21, then 22, 23. Eventually, you're gonna get to a point where you can't just keep adding a push-up, or else you'd be doing 1,000 push-ups in a row. And we all know that isn't possible. Maybe possible for one person in the world, maybe the most extreme person, maybe. I don't even know if 1,000 push-ups have been done, but either way, that's gonna be impossible for most people. So as you can see, you can't just keep adding one, but for the most part, to get in a decent amount of shape, how many push-ups is gonna be good, or how many push-ups to see results, it's going to be dependent on you. If you can only do 10 push-ups right now, if you get to 30 or 40 push-ups, you're gonna gain a lot of muscle. I guarantee you're gonna gain a ton of muscle. Your body's gonna be a lot more broad. It's gonna be, not broad, it's gonna be a lot more muscular, and you're gonna see some great results in your physique. Now, some people will ask me, what is the number one push-up tip? So again, to answer our question, how many push-ups to see results, how many push-ups is good for a certain person, say 15-year-old, 16-year-old, 18-year-old, adult, how many push-ups is good really doesn't answer the question. Do as many that you can do and constantly progress. And how many push-ups to see results is going to be dependent on how fast you can progress through the push-ups. And now people are gonna ask me the number one tip to increase your push-ups, and hands down, people do this the wrong way. If you want to increase the number of push-ups you are doing, hands down, lose weight. Get to a leaner body fat percentage. If you're 15% body fat, get to 9% body fat. Your push-ups will skyrocket. Because here's the thing, if you're 15% body fat, let's say you're 200 pounds, you are carrying 30 pounds of fat on you. Now, if you get to 170 at, let's say, 8% body fat, you're carrying like 15 pounds of fat. So before you're carrying 30 pounds, now you're only carrying 15 pounds. So imagine having an extra 15 pounds in a backpack and you doing push-ups. It might not matter if you're only doing 10 push-ups. If you're doing 50, 60 push-ups, it's gonna matter. So trust me, losing weight is huge. End of video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.